Cloudways website hosting review, usage experience. Links to Cloudways are in the description below. Cloudways is a managed cloud hosting platform designed for developers, agencies, and businesses who want powerful hosting solutions without the complexity of managing their own infrastructure. It allows you to deploy applications on cloud providers like AWS, Google Cloud, DigitalOcean, and more, offering flexible scaling and advanced performance features. One of Cloudways' standout features is its easy-to-use control panel that simplifies server management. You don't need to be a technical expert to launch or manage your site. The platform handles everything from server setup to security, providing a smooth user experience for developers and non-developers alike. Whether you're hosting a small business website or a resource-heavy application, Cloudways' scalability allows you to easily adjust resources like CPU, RAM, and storage as your website grows. Cloudways offers one-click installs for popular apps like WordPress, Magento, and Laravel, making it convenient for users to set up and manage their websites or applications. Additionally, Cloudways CDN and built-in caching ensure fast loading speeds, which is crucial for improving both user experience and SEO. The platform also features auto backups, SSL certificates, and site staging for easy testing before pushing changes live. For businesses with high demands, Cloudways provides 24/7 expert support. Their team is quick to respond and offers a high level of expertise, especially with cloud-related issues. The platform also comes with advanced security features like firewalls, IP whitelisting, and free SSL to ensure that your website is safe from potential threats. In summary, Cloudways is a robust and scalable hosting platform perfect for developers, agencies, and growing businesses. With its user-friendly interface, flexible cloud options, and top-tier performance features, it makes cloud hosting more accessible without compromising on power or reliability. If you're looking for a high-performance, secure, and scalable cloud hosting solution, Cloudways provides the tools and support you need.